Unlock the coveted, tactile signature of Phase 1 XT photography within the limitless canvas of Midjourney AI to forge truly distinctive visuals. Today, we're bridging the gap between the meticulously crafted world of Phase 1 XT and the boundless creativity of artificial intelligence. Phase 1 XT cameras are renowned for their unparalleled image quality, exceptional detail, and unique tonal rendering qualities we'll aim to emulate. Our journey begins with crafting precise prompts in Midjourney to evoke that distinct Phase 1 feel. Begin by incorporating terms that clearly communicate the desired style. Think about including phrases like medium format photography, Phase 1 aesthetic, or even specific lens characteristics like 80mm lens or f/28 aperture. Experiment with descriptive words that capture the essence of Phase 1 images. Tactile texture, exquisite detail, intricate patterns, or subtle tonality are excellent starting points. Pay close attention to lighting using terms like dramatic lighting, soft natural light, or chiaroscuro will help guide the AI in replicating those signature Phase 1 lighting setups. By thoughtfully combining these elements, you can imbue your Midjourney creations with the sophisticated, high-end photographic fingerprint of a Phase 1 XT, creating visuals that are truly extraordinary.